push the button, okay?
Beau&Roe, come bake with us. We are Beau&Roe, he is Beau and she is Roe. So come bake with us, we are Beau&Roe. We bake, we make, and we create memories and tasty treats. We are Beau&Roe, come bake with us, come make with us. We are Beau&Roe, she's Roe and he is Beau. And then there is Luke the cameraman, the stars, the cameraman, the stars, the cameraman, the Beau&Roe team.
Welcome back to Beau&Roe channel.
Oh yeah. So what are we doing today, Beau?
Making milky.
Making
Gnocchi.
gnocchi. Yes, we're going to make a gnocchi, and right now we're doing the first step here, which we've already completed a lot of, but we're going to show you that we took our baked potatoes. Gnocchi are basically potatoes and flour and egg. So you have to bake your potato or boil them. We chose to bake them. It's a lot easier. We took the potatoes out of the skin. We put them in the ricer. Right now they're a little cold, so it's going to be difficult to rice. But you rice all your potatoes.
I got my cramp.
Anyway, we've riced 9 potatoes here. This is just for show. Okay. Right, Beau? Okay. That was
Got
good.
it.
Okay, good. All right, then we're going to take our potatoes and we're going to put them on the table and make a ring.
Let's see.
Okay?
How
Get
are
rid
we
of that.
going to do this?
We're going to go like that.
Bet. Oh my god, that's
A lot of potatoes, right? We're going to put that
25.
back there out of the way.
20.
Ready? Want to make a ring? Here, help me make a ring. Everybody roll their sleeves up and make a ring. Let's make a big ring, okay? Okay, all right. All right, we don't want to squish them. We just want to make a ring. And Beau wants a taste, as usual. Okay, here, you can clean your hand when you're done.
A quick pause in the video for a special thank you to all of our live viewers on our live stream of this video. Also, a special thank you to our live participants, you'll see later in the video, and everyone who joined us to make this wonderful recipe. Back to your normal scheduled Beau&Roe, and we hope you enjoy the video.
Good job. All right, next one.
Okay.
Woo,
Did
good
it.
job. Here, help me crack it. Whoa. Great
No
job.
shells, no shells.
All right, I'll take the shells. Thank you.
This is
Here you go.
so dirty.
While your hand's dirty, keep going. Whoa!
Sorry.
Oh, that's everywhere.
Ew!
We need
Ew!
pause.
Ew! Did it.
Okay, great. Thank you. Good job. All right. We're doing a recipe and a half because we want to freeze some. So we're using 9 potatoes, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon and a half of salt and some pepper. And we're going to put our salt in the eggs. Here you go. Okay,
Just
that's
a
good.
bit there.
All right. And we're going to put some, here, help me grind.
I'm gonna
Ready?
miss.
Ready? Watch your finger. Get up there. Okay. Got it? We don't want to drop this in there. Okay, you want to beat with me?
Sure.
Here, you hold it. Sorry, it's such a big bowl. We can't really beat in this, can we? Ready? Got it?
I got. Hello.
Just keep beating.
Hello.
Ready? Okay, that's good enough. Ready?
Yep.
Let me see. Yeah, okay. Okay, ready? We're going for the big stuff now.
My thing.
Okay. All right. Okay. We're going to put that out of your way. That out of your way. And now we're supposed to like gently kind of mix this in with this while adding some
More
flour. Okay. Or a lot.
Or a lot.
Whatever works. And we're going to mix it in.
Darling.
You should be doing this like with a fork and going around pretty
We're
gently.
not doing that.
But we're not doing that. We're doing a little.
We're all hungry.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
really needs another 2 cups, but we're just going to do it by feel. So once it's not sticky,
Give me
we're going to do it. We're going to roll out our gnocchi. You're not going to help me to do this?
I know. I was ready. Oh.
Oh, muscles.
Whoa,
Whoa,
muscles.
muscles.
Oh.
Let's put it back on the table. Thank you.
Oh.
All right. We might be able to roll that out. Let's get all this in here.
You want the rolling pin?
Oh, we're not going to roll it. We're going to roll it into snakes and make a gnocchi.
Oh, I like the pretzel bites.
Are you ready to roll some snakes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Are Kathleen and Kelly going to help us?
Yeah.
Might be a
We're
little.
gonna give them some stations.
Yeah.
They're
All
getting
right.
the work.
If you need to flour your area, go for it. It's still a little. It might be a little, but it's
little.
okay.
I need more
You
flour.
need some? You coming over here too, Lucas? So we want to make the snakes
show you guys?
about
Okay.
thinner than that.
They're working.
I just answered for you.
Oh, hi.
What, Grandma?
I was listening to the
Ah, the camera fell.
Hey, why is
Wow.
yours rolling better than mine?
What?
A lot of flour.
Put some back.
Do I get a station?
So we're rolling this into snakes now, and then
Hey,
we're going to
Grandma,
cut them into about
Look
1 inch
how
pieces.
big this is.
Okay,
Too much.
very good. So
I've
maybe like
done
that
this-
size snake thickness. You ready? So we're going to cut into like 1 inch pieces, Beau, okay?
I've
Ready?
done this before.
Yes, you have. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna-
So we got our little pillows, like you
More?
can see. We got our little pillows here. All right. Okay, so now we're going to take
More,
our
Grandma,
pillows.
more?
No, we're going to take our fork. We're going to dust it a little bit. Here, hold your fork. And we're going to go with the tip of the fork, and we're going to go on the dough, and we're going to pull it forward, and we're going to get a little indentation in the middle there. Like that.
Let's see how the students are doing.
Like that?
Yeah. Pull it forward, and it should like wrap on itself.
Amazing job. You want to come cook with Beau&Roe? Come join us.
There we go. And then we're going to put them on the. Very good, Beau. You're on your own here on a roll. Tiny ones.
It's my little tiny gnocchi.
Milky.
Gnocchi.
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 Milky.
Gnocchi.
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 Yes, gnocchi.
Look how big this is.
Of course, that might not be the real Italian pronunciation, but it's the Italian American.
Please. Kathleen. Oh, I
You want to cut some more and make some more?
Oh,
You were
I-
excellent with the fork.
well done, everybody.
Thanks,
Thanks,
bud.
Beau. All right, you and I are going to fork these, okay?
Okay.
I'll take that out of
Come
your
on.
sweaty little hand. Ooh, thank you.
Our sheet
Yeah.
of gnocchi is slowly filling up.
Here you go, Beau. You ready?
We might need
Super.
two.
Let's see, Beau. Get it on. There we go. Our team.
Yeah.
Yay.
It's good to have all this help.
That's
Last time this took us about 3 hours.
Oh, it didn't take that.
That's
long.
why I called Kelly.
Well, I mean,
I'm
that's
glad
what
you called, though.
this is.
Story time with Grandma.
This is what all the little kids would do on Sundays when they made pasta. Everybody would help, and that's how things got
Hey,
done.
Hey, Grandma, this
What?
isn't a Sunday.
It's not a Sunday, you're right, but
Last time
normally
we did it
this
on
would be
Sunday.
like a Sunday dinner. You would be making gnocchi for it. You make the gravy or the tomato sauce on Sunday, and the
Today's a
kids would
Tuesday.
help make the pasta. And you had a lot of hands helping, and everybody was occupied and talking and enjoying each other and having fun. And they, at the end of it, they had a great
I'm
dinner.
gonna get the flour.
Why don't you help me cut and do the fork again, okay?
Come on.
All right?
Then I'm going back to this.
When the
Okay,
water's
then
ready
you
to
go
boil,
back
what do
to
we do?
The water's ready to boil. We're going to put them in for like 2 minutes, and we're going to hope that the gravy is heated up by that time. So we can mix them and taste them.
So, Grandma is boiling, or putting our gnocchi in the oven, or in the boiling water, and you're going to put them in there for about 2 minutes, she said.
3 minutes, yeah.
And once they're done, you can put them into a bowl like this. So we're going to have this ready. We are trying our gnocchi.
Oh, we're ready?
We also have some garlic bread in this basket, which you can check out our full or our short.
On how to make garlic bread with Kathleen.
Mm-hmm.
And how are you, what's your verdict on the gnocchi?
Yeah, this is not milky.
You do have gnocchi in there. I'm eating one.
This is not milky.
Bon appetit.
This is.
I think it's good. What are you eating? Just a meatball?
Yeah.
What do we think, live audience?
Delicious.
So good.
There you go. Everybody worked hard for their dinner here.
And in
And
just
now they're all enjoying it.
and in just 3 hours, gnocchi. Look at that.
3 hours. That wasn't bad from start to finish.
We started at
Oh,
3:30.
why
It's
don't you try
6:30
this?
or 5. Oh, 2
What?
hours.
I'd like you to try
2
this.
hours. That's pretty.
What?
Here, pasta. What do you think of that? Want to try another one?
No.
you, want
I need.
you want a rigatoni?
Hold on.
There's a rigatoni. You like rigatoni?
I made it all from scratch.
Yep, homemade.
My beard.
Homemade beer sauce,
Mm.
gravy, whatever you want to call it.
Gravy.
Gravy. Both chomping down on the meatballs, and rigatoni, he's not a gnocchi
Try
fan.
not to choke on it.
Ew.
There we go.
But you did a good job making them.
And they taste amazing,
They are good.
in my opinion.
Mm.
I mean, if I garlic bread.
So,
with
Bo, what do you think? Is this a must
Yeah,
make?
yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Bo's mouth is full. So, You got anything else to say besides yeah? Okay, cameraman, what do you got to say?
You want to do our plugs or?
Yes, I'm
But
gonna
wait,
eat.
what's
You
your
do the
rating?
plugs.
What's our rating?
whoa.
Gotcha.
What do you rate
what's
it?
the rating?
Kelly can rate it.
I rated a 10, man.
10 out of 10?
10 out
Oh,
of 10.
10 out of 10. There we go. Is this a must make?
Yeah, I'd do it again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead. You take it from
10 out of
here,
10.
Luke. I'm gonna eat.
But as we finish eating,
I'm not eat too.
as we finish eating, always remember.
Another bread.
Oh.
Here, you want this piece? Here.
Always remember to like our
Just
video.
You want me to dip
If you
it?
enjoyed it, which we know you did.
You want me to dip it?
Share the video with all your friends and family so you can make this with your family and
Yeah,
friends.
great family get together,
Yeah.
gathering to make.
It's a good bonding activity. Maybe.
Yes, bonding. So nobody's on their phone. People are talking to each other.
What?
Beau's dropping his fork.
Alright.
Go ahead, Luke.
Comment if you made the recipe, if you enjoyed the video.
If there's something else you'd like us to
Comment on-
make
Comment
Or-
on the live stream with me.
on the yeah, Beau liked doing the live stream, so go back and watch it, make some comments. And we did lose internet, so that's why it ended abruptly.
Some storms.
We don't forget to subscribe. What else? What about our song?
Follow us on Instagram
Oh,
at
yeah.
Beau&Roe. And our song that you should have heard at the beginning of the video. If I did my job.
Yes, go to YouTube. Yes, you can go to where?
YouTube Music, Spotify, Amazon Music,
Amazon.
and Apple Music. All Beau&Roe theme songs. Search it up.
Thumbs up.
Follow us on all of those. And listen to the video or listen to the music.
And come back again next time. And thanks for being here this time.
Yeah, this is something we've been working on for a while.
Bye.
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 Awesome.
I sure did.
Get in there, Beau.
It's harder than it looks. Oh, God.
Harder than it looks to me too, let me tell you.
Right, like this, Beau.
See what I have to do with
Okay,
this?
Beau.